Today we're in Kuria, which is Otago in South Island of New Zealand. So another drill today. It's a blue one, and what we had to do today, we replaced the plug on the E-drive connector, because this one just got a bit ratty, so it got a new connector, but that's all it needed. The motors, loom, all the rest of it's all good, but that's what we replaced. So it's pretty simple. All your sensors come up through here, and all the power to the motor run through this plug. So, and I'll just show you once again the monitors up in the tractor. So it's a two bin system, so I've got two bins here, and when you're drilling you can see your real-time RPM on the screen, and as you can see the screen's backlit, so it's easier to see it when the light gets a bit dim. And it's got all the other features in here. You can run up to 4 bins on these controllers, and they've got stacks of debug inside them. If you look through here with the information screens, lots of information to let you know all the statistics of the E-drive system, and that's all adds up to reliability. So that's us. We'll catch us later.